Hey everybody, this is Zach Cuddy with the Geo team. Today I'm going to be going over what's new coming to our replication views in 18.5. Before we get started though, I wanted quickly to show where we're coming from and what the replications views had prior to 18.0, especially what they didn't have. We've been iterating over these views for the past couple milestones, and here in 18.5 then we're fully releasing all the new functionality as well as closing the enrich existing functionality epic under Geo Observability. So I'm going to jump in, and this is the admin sites dashboard for Geo. This is the landing page for Geo. And what a customer will do is they'll scroll down to the bottom to get to these replication views by clicking one of these blue links. Like here, I'm showing the project repositories. This is the old view, and you can see that the tabs are very cumbersome, kind of hard to navigate, as well as there's a lot of missing Geo information inside of this list view. There's no information about errors, there's nothing about verification state, and there's no way to click through and drive into these records. So now I'm going to jump into the new views, and again, these are coming in 18.5, and there's a good suite of new functionality coming. So I have quick little demos of each of the core things, and we'll look through each of those now. First is this is what the new view looks like, and you can see that there's a lot of more information. There's down at the bottom, expanding errors, as well as like different error states and different states in general, as well as it shows both the replication state and the verification state. And you can note that there's also blue links because you can actually click into these records now as well. And the cool thing is we have a lot of new functionality as far as the filtering goes. And you can see right now we support filtering by replication status, and we also support filtering by verification status, and these can be done in tandem to get a really curated view. This is all also stored in the URL now, so you can refresh the page, bookmark it, share it with anyone that you need to. On the left here, we also can filter by, we can change the replicable types, and you can see the query is carried over, and then you can clear it out. So this helps jumping between different replicable types really quickly. Pagination, of course, works and is stored as well in the URL. Another thing that you can do is you can filter by the ID, and this takes a plain text string like 1, or here you can also, if you have the ID that you got from a log or something, you can paste that in here. And these also work together, so you can curate your filter like that as well. And of course, this is stored in the URL as well. Over on the right, you can filter or sort rather by different of the keys, and of course, this supports ascending and descending, and you can refresh the page as well because that's saved. Now the next piece that's really neat is we have expanding errors. So you can expand and it will get a inline error view of what's going on in the view with a particular registry, and then you can click into these to get a little bit more detailed information as well. The next piece of functionality is the resync functionality, and this has existed in the past, but we now have more curated resync all failed repositories. You can see that you click that and it just resyncs the ones that are failed. This has been a long-standing ask. And will be very helpful because sending a full resync is really expensive to the customer's instance. So if we can provide ways to do a more curated resync on the things they need to resync, this will save a lot of resources and a lot of time. And then of course the resync all functionality still works, where we can fire a resync all action against everything. And the final new update coming is for re-verify actions. So the same sort of thing with resync, we can also re-kick off the secondary verification process in the same way. We can re-verify only ones that have failed verification. You can see again that only targets those. And then as well as the previously existing re-verify all, where it will send that action to all of them. So that sums up all the new things that are coming in 18.5. We're really excited to see what customers think. We have a feedback issue out that is linked on that epic, and well, when you first hit the Geo page, there's actually a banner for customers to go and provide feedback when they have it. So yeah, that concludes this demo. Thanks for sticking around.